Airports are strange places. Thousands of people rushing somewhere, yet you can feel completely alone. When I walked in that day, my heart was heavier than my luggage. I had just lost my mother and was trying to pretend I was okay. Then Mark appeared, a stranger. He placed a hand on my shoulder and said, "You're not alone, friend. Just breathe." But not everyone was like Mark. Some eyes were sharp, scanning me. A brown man, a Muslim, alone in a foreign airport. That was enough for them to stare. Then I saw a young boy being bullied. They pushed him, mocked him. The airport staff just looked away. I felt a fire rise inside me. I wanted to help, but I knew how it would go. They wouldn't call it helping, they'd call it aggression. That day changed me. It taught me that silence can be violence, and kindness can save a life. Humanity is the only passport that truly matters.